What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Big Boy Tactical. Here today we have two 350 Legends that I've put together. They have different manufacturing companies parts. The furniture on this one, it's from Magpul. It's MOE. It's got a Palmetto State trigger. It's a Palmetto State lower. However, the upper, it's a Davison Defense upper with a Anderson Defense bolt and bolt carrier. Now this one here, the lower, is Delta Team Tactical lower. The trigger was provided by Redcon Tactical. The bolt and the bolt carrier, it's an Anderson bolt carrier. And this upper, an M-lock upper, unlike the other one, the key lock. This key lock upper was provided by Radical Arms. This M-lock upper, like I said, is a Davison Defense Arms. And I tried both of them out today, and they shoot pretty good. I freaking love them. But I won't be able to keep them because these are special orders. And in this video, I'm also going to be reviewing the ammo, 45 grain, 50, 70, and 180. So here's the mag. This is a 10 round mag for the 350 Legend. And just for comparison, so we can see how they stack up against other ammo, this one here is a 458 SOCON. This is a 3030. This here is a 350 Legend. This is a 350 Legend casing, a 223, and the 223 casing, and the 9mm bullet. So from what I've been hearing, the 350 Legend is basically a 30-30 with a 9mm projectile. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to pause this video for a second. When we come back, I'm going to be putting the shells and the rounds in the scale to see how they vary in weight by grain and compared to the 223 and the 30-30. And one quick fun fact about the 350 Legend. So this bad boy here, you can use a 223 5.56 bolt carrier on the 350 Legend, charging handle, multi-caliber lower, a regular 223 5.56 lower. The only thing that will change is just the upper and the barrel, of course, and the muzzle brake. But other than that, if you got yourself a regular lower that is laying around, go ahead and get yourself an upper and give it a try. So here we go. Here's the first round that we're gonna test out. It's a 350 Legend, and this one is 180 grains. And this 180 grains comes in at 20 grams. So a full round of 180 is 20 grams. And the next one is the 170 grain. 170 grain. 19 grams. Now the 150 grain of the 350 Legend, 17 grams. And the 145 Full Metal Jacket comes in at 16 grams. Now the empty shell of the 350 Legend comes in at 6 grams compared to the 223 These are armor penetrating, so it might be a little heavier than a normal 223. 12 grams. And when we compare it to the 3030, here's a 3030. The 3030 comes in at 21 grams. The 9mm bullet comes in at 11. So one of the big differences that I noticed between the 3030 and the 350 Legend is the rim and the primer. So you can see the primer is way bigger, so is the rim on the 3030 compared to the 350 Legend. The rim and the primer of the 350 Legend is very similar to the rim and the primer of the 9mm, as you can see. It was very fun to shoot, gotta say that. And surprisingly, when I went to Walmart to pick up my hunting license, they had 2 boxes of the 350 Legend 45 grains for $9.98. Now granted, it only has like 20 rounds in it, but the way things are right now with ammo, yeah, I will take it. And the 150 grams grain of the 350 Legend, today they had it for $18. 5 grains difference, $9 difference. I will be going back to Walmart when they have more 350 Legend rounds. And that is it. The next at the end of this video, you're gonna see some footage from me shooting it at the range and taking videos and pictures of it. Like always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And go find a 350 Legend and shoot it. Tell me what you think of it. I thought it was pretty fun. Take care, guys. I'll see you in the next video. So like I said before, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully, you know, our channel will continue to grow. And I'll be able to make more videos sooner. Thank you. Have a good day.